Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry, and in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing. If you're interested in seeing what I got from Fashionfile, then please stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I have the box right here. I got it yesterday in the mail. I placed this order on the 17th of September, and it finally came yesterday. It took a little while for it to come, but on Fashionfile's site they do say that they have a bit of a delay for items. So I'm just opening up the box, and this is going to be a true unboxing. I have not seen this item. I purchased it off of their website, of course. Just going to delicately open up the box here. Okay, so here we go. Opening up the box. And like true Fashionfile style, they have their logo here on the inside of the box. I'm going to skip right to everything that's in the box and just take out what this is. So here we are. I wonder if you all can guess what this is. Let me take out the little pink papers. Okay, well the pink papers are stuck. Let's see if you all can guess what this is. Alright, I'm going to slide this out the paper. Here it is in the dust bag. Let's take it out. Alright, look at that. This is a Chanel Square Mini, and the color was listed as pink, but to me it's like more of a peach pink. I don't know, and I'll kind of show you what I mean. This is my Coach, and my lighting is pretty bad, but this is my Coach cosmetic case, and this is the Chanel Square. This is a very light color. To me it's more of a peach color, and this is, I'm just inspecting it real quick to make sure that there's nothing wrong with it. It was listed in new condition, so it still has the plastic there on the hardware, and I thought it said it came with a dust bag. Let's open this up and see what's inside, and I think it does. There is the dust bag. And here's the authenticity card, or the card that comes with it, and you know if you remove that card then it's yours. But since I just got this, we're not going to remove it just yet. So here it is with the chain. Open that up. On the inside, the color is the same. That pink peachy color, nude. It's more of a nude color. As you all know, I have been wanting another Chanel bag in my collection. I wanted to get the square version because I do have a rectangular version. I will link my Chanel collection video down below so that you can all see, if you haven't seen it, what I do have in my collection so far in regards to Chanel items. But I wanted something pink. Not this light, more so of an actual pink color, but this one was what was on their website, and it was listed in new condition, so I jumped on it. I'm not going to make this video very long, more of an unboxing, first impressions. I do like the color. It has the back pocket, so I'm happy about that. I do think that the strap is short compared to my rectangular mini, but I knew that. This has some funky situation going on with the chain here. I think it may be just twisted. Okay, there we go. It was just twisted. So the chain strap is pretty short. This is, for me, going to be like definitely a shoulder bag. I will not be able to wear this crossbody. I am on the, what you would consider plus size. So I cannot wear this as a crossbody bag, which is okay. You know, I knew that going in, but it's my real quick reveal of my Chanel rectangular or Chanel square mini. All right. Let me know what you guys think of this cutie, and if you have any questions about this bag, definitely leave it down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Alrighty, bye.